Okay, hello everyone. We are now at our third example, and this is the third case. Okay, so again, I've converted our system here into the equivalent augmented matrix. Okay, so we will do the same thing. We'll manipulate this to to convert it into a row echelon form, and then back substitute. Okay, so let's start. So what can we do here? So this is for the first term is for the row 2 is not 0 yet. So I'm going to convert that into 0. Okay, so let's multiply R1 by -2 and add that to R2. And then let's assign the new sum into R2. Okay, so -2 times R1, so -2, then -2, and then 6, and then -2 times 4, -8. Then let's copy R2, 2, 1, -1, and then 2. Okay, so let's add this. We get 0, and then -1, and then 5, and then -6. Okay, so if we substitute it here, what will we get? We will get this one right here, right? Okay, so we've actually succeeded in two things. So this is already 0, and this is already 1. So very nice. That's very cool. So the next objective is to convert this one right here into 0, 0, and 1, right? So that is our next objective. So how are we going to accomplish that? We can multiply R1 again by -3. So -3 R1 plus R3, and then we are going to assign that new sum to R3. Okay, so let's multiply R1 by -3. So -3, -3, +9, and then 3 times 4, that would be -12. And then we get copy R3, 3, 2, -4, then 7. Okay, if we add those, we get 0, -1, and then 5, and then we get -5, right? So if we substitute it to R3, you will get this one right here. Very cool. And now, the goal is so we've accomplished this, so 0 na. Then we are going to convert this into 0, right? So we want this to be 0, and this one should be 1. Okay, so what can we do to make this 0? Make this 0. So we add them. So let's say R2 plus R3. Okay, we're going to assign that to R3. So let's try that. 0, 1, -5, 6. 0, -1, 5, and -5. So we add that, we get 0, 0. So this actually is 0 also. And then -6 minus 5, that would be 1. Okay, so that's a little bit bizarre again. So if we substitute it to this one right here, so this is what we get. Okay, so if we examine this augmented matrix carefully, we can see here that this is a false statement right here, right? Because if we convert this into our system of equations, what will we get? So we will get x, right? X plus y minus 3z is equal to 4. And then y minus 5z is equal to 6. Then we will get actually 0 is equal to 1. So this is obviously false, right? So if we get a situation like this is an indication that there is no solution for this system of equations. Okay, so therefore no solution. Okay, very nice. So that is actually the third case that I wanted to show you. Okay, so that's it for this third case, third example. So I hope you learned something in this video, and there's still a couple of videos for this lesson. So I'll see you in the next video.